Good morning, everyone. Today, we already started that logic gates. Now, we are going to continue the same chapter. In examination, they may ask draw a neat diagram for the draw a neat circuit diagram for the following equation, or like this, design a circuit to realize the following equation. So, they will provide the equation. You need to draw that a circuit diagram. They may ask for 3 marks or 2 marks or maybe 5 marks. Clear? Till now they are asking for the 3 marks only. So you should be prepared with, or you should be aware with how to draw a logic circuit with respect to the equation. If they provide the equation, how to draw a circuit, and you should be prepared for that one. So today we have come with one problem over here. Design a circuit to realize the following: f of a comma b comma c comma d equal to ab plus ac complement plus b's complement a complement c. So this is equation what exactly has given this. Let us convert this into the basic format, that is known format over here. Here is the thing, f of, let it be, no problem, write down directly, a dot b, it means that, plus a dot c, it means that, like this we need to understand how to differentiate a complement c dot. So this is what exactly the real equation is, look like this one, but we are going to write like this. So again, convert this into the format, how to easily we can able to draw equation. First a we have here, a, what is this? This is the AND operator. A dot is the AND operator. A and B, plus is nothing but OR operator. Plus is nothing but OR operator. This is the plus OR operator. A and not C. This is the complement. So we are using as a not C. So again, plus R, not B, and not A and C. This is what exactly the real equation we should be written like this. After writing this equation, it is easily we can able to draw this one. Let us start the drawing a logic circuit with respect to the equation. So what exactly is given? The first AB. AB is in the format of AND. A, B. Next, A dot C complement. A dot C complement. A ಇದೆ, C complement. C complement ಅಂದ್ರೆ not. C, A and not C. Not in the sense you should use as a not symbol. C like this. So this is A dot C complement. Next, B complement A complement C. B complement A B A, B, C. So B complement A complement C. So finally we have a OR operation. So finally we have a OR operation. Add this entire equations. We got A dot B, A dot C complement, B complement dot A complement dot C here. Now just merge this equation to form this equation. We have a which operation we have here? OR operation we have here. So use the OR gate and form that equation, that is A dot B plus A dot C complement plus A complement B complement, B complement A complement C. This is what exactly we need to draw a circuit diagram in examination. If they given in the terms of equation, if they provide the equation, you need to draw like this. Clear? Now we will use another equation. We will go for another one to understand to better understand here. Here, I think all of you understand the concept of how to draw a logic circuit diagram. They will provide this one, convert into the original format into AND or NOT gate, and then separate the terms over here. Start with separating A and B, A and B, A and C complement, A complement, B complement, C. So we are getting and merge this entire into the OR gate. Then we will form the equation. Okay. Now we will go for a second problem, which we have that. Okay, then we will go for second one. So we will go for second equation. Here is the equation. Draw a circuit diagram to realize the following function: f of x comma y comma z, x plus y dot x complement plus z complement dot y plus z over here. So he has given the equation. As I told you that convert into the AND or NOT to draw easily circuit diagram. So we will convert this into x. So directly go for converting x or y, and this is the AND x, that is not x or not z, and y or z. This is what exactly the equation has been converted into in this format. So now we'll start drawing the circuit diagram with respect to this equation. First is x or y. X or y in the sense, draw a OR gate. This is the OR gate, and inputs are x and as well as y. That is x or y. Or directly to understand the term x plus y, write down. Next, and we have here, later we will see that one. X complement plus z complement plus z complement. Again, x, z, x complement, z complement. This is r. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು y ಪ್ಲಸ್ z. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಇದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಆರ್ ಗೆ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.